Hi, it's Heather with another installment of R-Rated Reviews. And I finally have a new tool to review. I have tons of new tools to review. I just don't have any time to use the fun tools that I really want to use. It is 11 o'clock at night and I am just getting home from work. I had to stop at Home Depot on the way home. Just made it. They close at 10. The new tool is the Ryobi drain auger. I would love to take a shower right now. I think that I could probably shake dirt out of my hair. I think this might be the dirtiest that I have ever been. It might be. It might. Maybe not. So you guys know I got my septic pumped. You know I put a new sink and new faucet and all new plumbing under the sink. And this is my kitchen sink. By the way, I don't know if you can hear that grinding noise in the background. That's my washing machine. It's been doing that all day and still didn't wash the fucking clothes. Here's my sink. Looks pretty gross, huh? Okay, somebody in the Karma district just hates me. That sink hasn't drained once. Oh shit! Oh, because of course it's draining into my fucking cabinet. Oh, why? Someone please, just please, someone please come put me out of my fucking misery. I can't. I just fucking can't. Itchy, thank you for the kind words. But you may have spoken too soon because I'm just not handling this like a champ. What did I do to the fucking phone again? I don't know why it does that. And you know what? Just for good measure, let me totally fuck some shit up tonight. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Because we know how well that fucking goes. I got the Ryobi drain auger. And I think I just broke it. I did not get the hybrid. I don't even know what the fuck the hybrid is. Apparently they do more than one thing. I don't know. This is an 18 volt. Did I really just break it? I read the instructions. There's like a trigger, and there's a forward and a reverse. There's an auto feed button. And can I take it off of auto feed, please? Because Lord knows I don't need auto feed. How the fuck do you get it off of auto feed? It won't come off. I read, what is this? Fuck this. I really kind of want to go off right now. Why are the illustrations for the parts and components on the last fucking page, but the symbols with the warnings for fucking long hair are on the first page, with the directions on how to use it, telling you to push certain buttons and the pommel. And I don't know what the pommel is until I get to fucking English on page 10. Because the last page is really show you the fucking illustrations. I can't with you anymore, Ryobi. I fucking can't. Itchy? You might see me cry again, like that day that girl didn't meet me to go to the fucking Apple Festival. You might fucking see me cry again. Now I don't know where my hair tie went, because of course you know what? I'm just gonna stick my fucking hair in the drain, in the snake, and hope it takes my whole fucking head down the drain with it. Because I don't look like this enough. When I get home, I have to stay looking like that. I missed hair, and it's gonna fucking tickle my neck. I just want to take a shower and go to bed. So the sink doesn't drain. Unless, of course, the pipe is open already so that I can snake it. Then it'll drain into my cabinet. That was me. That was my dumb ass again. 18 volt. What the fuck is this called? I don't know, because it's on the Spanish or the French fucking side of the box. Why don't you put it in Spanish and French, in fucking France and Spain? English! $18-volt, 25-foot drain auger. Oh, and it tells you 5 times, don't fucking operate it unless it's in a drain. Nah, dumbass. Yeah. No, I don't want to be an asshole. Be an asshole. You're supposed to manually pull this out. Is it clamped? Clamped. Feed it 4 inches or 6 inches into the drain. And then you can automatically feed it the rest of the way until it gets to the blockage. I don't want to know what's in the blockage. I don't want to know what the blockage is. I don't like plumbing. It's yucky. But I cannot pay a plumber another $600 to come here. Here's the greatest kicker. Sidebar! I just finally finished the job today. That was grueling. And it was a $1,300 payout. I'm like, fantastic. 2 days worth of work. Took me spread over 3 days because of the fucking weather and my getting the truck stuck in the mud. And Christine is supposed to be, I still have the truck. Christine's not done. Because now I need it was $1,214 for Christine. So excited that I'm getting paid on a $1,300 job. So the 3 days I've been working goes straight to the fucking mechanic. Oh, and they figured out what was wrong with my rear axle seals that was spraying all over the place, that I paid the last mechanic several $100s to fucking install in November. And the reason why they were spraying is because they found that the last mechanic put them on backwards. And I'm like, oh, just turn them around. Nah, I can't do that. And now I need, did I say head gasket? No, I don't know what I said. I need something with an M. What do I need? Master cylinder. And so I'm like, all right, $1,300. Right to the mechanic. It was so cool because this client is awesome. And she tipped me $100. And I'm like, oh, you don't have to do that. I'm like, I'll just take a hug instead. Can I have a hug? She's like, you can have a tip and a hug. I'm like, but I'm so dirty. She's like, I don't care. So I got a hug. And the mechanic fucking calls and tells me I need a master cylinder for $160. So now it's going to be like $1,374. And with her $100 tip, I made $1,400. So I get to keep $26. But actually, I look at that as good luck. Because without her $100 tip, it would have been $100 again out of my pocket. So I'm going to put this in the fucking pipe. I don't even know if I'm doing this. I don't know. I might just flush a stick of dynamite down the fucking pipes. I don't want to know what's in there. I really fucking don't want to know what's in there. I didn't know. I read the directions. I've never snaked anything. There's a chance if I can't push it through that I'm going to wind up coiling this thing and pulling it out of the drain. Don't wanna. Maybe it's just an expensive cat toy. My cat's fucking playing with it. Let me get this set up. I don't know if I can do this. I don't have the fucking wherewithal. Do you fucking hear my washing machine is still fucking going? I have to unplug it to shut it off. And I think I actually heard it spin out. It's off. Hold on. It'll start back up in a second. Oh, it actually spun out. Okay, hang on. Yeah, there it goes again. There it goes. It should be off. I have to unplug it. Yeah, fuck you. To turn it off. It ran all fucking day while I was at work and never washed the clothes. I also bought a whole house water filter system tonight. And $200 worth of plumbing parts that have to go with it. And then I came home and looked at what was in the basement. I think I'm just going to attempt to date the guy that gave me all the parts, put it out, laid it out for me, and let me take a picture so I knew what order to put it all in. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to offer him favors to come and hook it up. I'm going to be reduced to that. I may be reduced to that. Because I ain't got no more money. So if you want to manually yank this thing, there's a clamp down here. And you just do that. This will fit 3/4 pipe up to 2-inch. Wait, why is it not going in there? I'm not sticking my fucking finger in there. I'm not sticking my finger in there. That's where I draw the fucking line. Oh, fuck. Why? Why? Really? I have to fucking take one now. It's a fucking dishwasher pipe. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna take this all apart. I don't do plumbing. Oh, that's not even fucking connected. What is that? Ew! Oh. So they already hit it. That's it. Is it right there? The directions say if I hit like an S trap or a P trap, which I shouldn't, I don't think at this point. It says if you hit a trap, you should be able to just force it through a little quicker, and it's not fucking working. This is not a clog. This is like, what the fuck? Oh, all right, it went. Oh, here we go. Is it fucking doing anything? Hold on. Just checking. Is this really working? I mean, how much more is there? I just don't trust that that thing's fucking spinning. You're gonna tell me that I just found it? Oh, there's something. All right, I have to reverse it. don't want it to come out yet. I just want it ready to make. There we go. Let's do that. I want to go forward. I'm supposed to be able to push this thing through. What the fuck is that? I don't want to know. It feels like paper. It also feels like it's right under the floor. What the fuck? This thing is supposed to fucking bore into it. I want this to manually go backwards. It's supposed to fucking manually go backwards. It's like paper. What the? What the fuck could that possibly fucking be? How do I bore into that? I fucking hate you, Ryobi. I fucking hate you. What the fuck? It's supposed to just retract. I put it in reverse. No, it doesn't want to reverse. How the fuck? I just read. Once you can just put it in reverse and retract it, but apparently not. This is why I don't do plumbing! Fucking stupid. What could that possibly fucking be? I need this to fucking retract. That's that way. It's not fucking retracting. Fucking reverse is 2 steps. It says to fucking squeeze the pommel. I'm squeezing the fucking pommel. What the fuck? I don't want it to come out of the whole fucking pipe. I just want it to go back into this less slack, you fucking asshole. What the fuck could that be? It feels like newspaper. Or plastic. What is that? Well, it's not gonna fucking take it out. I can't fucking believe this. If I fucking wiggle this thing right now and it still feels like it's hitting paper and it hasn't fucking retracted this whole time, you're gonna watch me smash it to fucking pieces on the floor. All right, it's coming out. I'm so unhappy. What the fuck? Not a fucking thing. Not a fucking thing. Am I not gonna mail it? I think that's going back. And it's going to cost me, I'm not really sure. But it feels like a wad. I mean, obviously it can't be paper. It would have broken up by now. Or like plastic. There's something in the fucking pipe. Maybe the auger works. I don't know. But it's certainly not going to bore through a fucking wad of plastic. I wouldn't even know how somebody could jam plastic down a sink drain. How do you get it in there? How? I don't even know what it's going to cost for someone to come take that out. But I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to go to bed, and I'm going to say that maybe it works, but it won't work for my plumbing. I don't even want questions or comments. Good night.